Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 2nd of September 2021 and Thursday. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live in real-time intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart from yesterday, we were long. As you can see here, price nicely respected here. So we were looking this breakout and we had a beautiful breakout and we take a few pippies on Euro USD and bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I did this morning. And this morning, as you can see here, based on the analysis, I'd explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. So price nicely broken, and explain to my traders through live ID commentary, we're going to hold this trade as long as the price stay above the previous low or keep respecting this trend support line. So we have another scaling trade. If the trader missed this one, we said he can join again. We have another pullback as soon as the price hit to the support resistance level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So you can see we had a very small long trades on pound, Euro USD, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the pound dollar. We had a quite interesting trade. If you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, as you can see here from yesterday, as I said to you guys, we're expecting the price should respect the 138 level. If not, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. So we have taken, as you can see here, price respected here. So we have taken long trade this morning, bank few pippies. And at the New York session, we had another one breakout and one pullback long trade here. And we banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit at this trend resistance line. Now let me share with you how I analyze in intraday to refine this entry and bank beautiful and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. If I show you the intraday analysis, and if you look at the London morning session, we had this breakout. You can see just before London open, I explained to my trader that the momentum is developing a bullish, so more likely we're going to see the breakout. So we have this breakout, and the most safest trade, which is explained to my trader, if you look at here, the price is broken. After the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation. That is the confirmation, the continuation. So as soon as the price hit this level, I'll explain to trader, you can bank few profit and let the other trader at the break even. And at the New York session, I explained to my trader, bullish momentum is developing it, or look for another breakout. And if the price is going to respect 138 level, then possibility of short, otherwise look long. So you can see here, based on the momentum, we have another New York session breakout. And after the breakout, as always, pull back long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, which is I explained to you guys, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit just before London close. So we had amazing trades on pound dollar, all these 4-hour analysis, plus all the intraday analysis in real time. That definitely help our traders to bank amazing profit, as you have seen it. Okay, so dollar CAD was interesting trade. I was desperately looking for this breakout short trade. Okay, so if you look at here from, as I mentioned in my previous analysis, if you haven't seen that video, the link is given in the video description. So technically, I was looking this breakout to, as you can see here, price nicely broken now. So let's see tomorrow. We have an interesting day tomorrow, NFP news. If the price is going to continue, then we're going to be keep enjoying pullback short trade here. But how I analyze market today, we have taken this breakout and still banking beautiful pips. Let me share with you how I analyze this level in intraday and help my traders to bank profit. If I show you the London morning session analysis, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this is the London morning just before London open. We did this analysis and explained to my trader that look what's happened here. The price respected and broken. And so technically, based on the price action, price should develop a pullback, right? but the price has broken this one and it gives us the significant information rejection. So when we look at in 4 hour, we have this rejection, and that's give us the confirmation that but we need a valid technical entry. So we were looking at breakout, which price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we first fib channel, that what we explained to trader is time to bank some profit and then look for another pullback. As you can see here, as always, after the price broken, price came back here and retest. Momentum, look at the bottom, was bearish. We have red candle perform, risk reward ratio perfectly fine. We explained to trader look for another pullback that we have taken, and we have another wedge breakout. That's why all these trades are announced through live audio commentary to help trader to squeeze as many as pips. So we had beautiful short trade on London morning session based on that, and then we at the New York session price develop another pattern and said to my trader, this is what you can see here. That's what we explained to my trader, look for another pullback here, and if you keep holding it, you can add another scaling trade here, because for the New York session, because these trades has been taken in the London morning traders, this analysis is done for the New York session traders. So guys, if you have missed this one, so look for another scaling trade short here. As you can see here, based on the momentum, beautiful bearish momentum, and price nicely broken this trend. And we explained to trader, if you have taken it, couple of traders, just keep holding couple of trades at the break even, and that's what we give them beautiful message to my traders, enjoying pipping. So if we see the bearish engulfing candle here, then probably going to be tomorrow am I going to be taking a pullback short trade here. But I also explained to my trader, enjoying some few pipping, banking some profit, or enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade breakout on the dollar CAD. I hope guys you enjoy all these analysis details. We had also amazing trades on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you the Aussie dollar trades here. We were long for pullback. We have another, let me share with you. You have, look here, we have first trade was pullback long. That's basically, if you look at it in 4 hour, very strong bullish momentum. We had this pullback, and then afterwards explain to take another scaling trade. Based on the momentum, we can add more trades. We don't add trades on losing, guys. So this is very, very important. We had another beautiful trade breakout on Kiwi dollar. We also had a very amazing and beautiful trade on pound yen. This was the, you can see here, it's such a nice beautiful trade, just taking a pullbacks. And that's what we explained to trader. We have this Asian, this is the New York session breakout. As you can see, a pretty straightforward breakout long trade. And that's all, everything basically we analyze market in the, this was the breakout trade. As you can see here, such a nice beautiful PPs on pound yen. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analyses. As always mentioned, that you should be watching those analyses in real time with live audio commentary support, with live 4 hour analysis in real time, and the most important thing is banking pips in real time. And you can also develop your trading skill through this virtual platform where we broadcast those information in the real time with the live market. And once you show us that you have developed a good trading skill and produce consistency result in our virtual platform, definitely I can help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I help and teach my traders through live intraday analysis in real time through this platform, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description below. Feel free. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.